about it. Like how they know we ain't talking, that ain't their business. Know when we fussing and fighting, you tell your friends them. But if you wondering if I love you, yes I do. But if you wondering if I need you, yes I do.
We the Bonnet Girls. We're starting a group called the Bonnet Girls. But we're going to the store. I just decided to vlog because we're going to the worst store to buy food ever. Not like the food is gross, but like they don't ever be having nothing. Like it's always empty. Like I'm gonna show y'all. And I've started to vlog because I feel like it gives me something to do. If I make a video today to the gym, I can edit it while I'm on the treadmill, so it gives me like motivation to edit my videos and go to the gym at the same time. It's giving look a mess. Just came from the gym, just got the shower, got the fresh, white toes with it, with the slides. Actually, this is I remember these are my first pair of slides I ever had. I had these for like 5 years, 5-6 years. Are you ready to get the best food you ever had in America?
Oh yes, it's gonna be delicious.
Damn, look y'all, it's like 100 degrees. She got on the sweater. Yeah, I almost think so. I don't got no bra on though, I forgot. So we ain't gonna go. We ain't finna look at it. You shouldn't be looking right there anyway. Find somewhere else for your eyes. Don't split the pole. You always split the pole.
I'm on the rails.
Why it's so awkward? I'm surprised they ain't never got no bagels. I like plain bagels. Fill up a clipper, go fill up a safe. Fill up a clipper, go. What is she doing? I'm supposed to go to the damn basket. What's taking so long? They was beating your ass?
The basket's so cool.
Nah, they was beating your ass. They was bullying you for them baskets, huh? Can I put my bagels in there, folks? For them. Come on now. You always in motherfucking time. But, uh-oh, she's falling. You okay? Get it together. Ooh, they got push pops. Ooh, they got orange dream bars. Orange dream bars. Or the bomb pops. Which ones? The bomb pops or the orange dream bars? I can't reach back here. This is why I don't ask her nothing, because she don't never know what's going on. Always confused. You always confused. I want to try that KitKat ice cream, the drumstick, and they had the what you call it? What's that cereal? Cinnamon Toast Crunch one. But on Saturday we're gonna go to Walmart and get the Little Debbie ice creams. Love these. They're like her friend. Let's see what it says. Why does everybody have to sticker? What are y'all like? What? Ew. Why here? How you think these taste? This tastes. I am gonna try it. Let me get you one. Let's see how that tastes. You had no destination on what you was trying to get. You just wanted to come to the store because you ain't grabbing nothing. You want to go find and sell it? They be doing the most. They just want people to be fat as shit. Like, what's the point to cover that with some fucking fudge? Why? Ooh, these are the best things ever. Like, I've been going to the gym. I'm on a diet, so I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. But that's crazy. Look, they don't never be having nothing in here. I don't even get no sweets. No sweets, no sweets. Dang, they don't even have fucking. I don't even have some roads. They don't even have shit up in these shits. These healthy. I don't know. I'm tired of Cheez-Its. Let's do this in grand crackers. Hey girl.
Chicken, bacon, ranch.
Think that's gonna be it. Look good in the box. Thinking about getting some graham crackers and some milk. The one that we be wasting milk. I don't drink it. No, I don't drink it. I just get my blood pressure. Look at this shit. Worst store, they don't be having shit. Them nasty ass drink. That shit nasty as hell. I'm in a rush. I wanted to just taste like the ones. I'm gonna get to see if it tastes like the ones that. Cause how come the Hawaiian Punch at the like what's that shit called, Popeyes? It be tasting so good, but like these, horrible. Even that Kool-Aid, horrible. All that shit be nasty as hell. I ain't never got no gestures, but I guess that's a good thing because I don't need no sweets anyways. See what else we got up in here. Oh, little snack right here. Should I get some Capri Suns? Capri Suns don't be hitting no more either. Where's Ferland? Oh, goodness. No cereal. They don't be having nothing. Look, they ain't even got the Pop-Tarts. They ain't even got the blueberry Pop-Tarts. Those are the only Pop-Tarts I eat. Horrible. Look at it. I ain't gonna get no cereal either. I don't know what that shit for real. All my things is I eat these plain. You think this tastes like the nasty ones?
No.
I don't like those no more. I ate too much of those.
No, that should taste like the
ones that be at Popeyes?
Yeah, it should.
We'll see. I don't need some string cheese. You ever used to eat frosted mini wheats? Frosted mini wheats. I never had frosted mini wheats before. Damn, they ain't got no string cheese. That's how you gonna do. That's what's up though. So like this one, yeah. Damn. Tell y'all this shit, this price is horrible. Get some beefaroni. I like these. Why shit don't ever follow me with the basket? Everything I be trying to get, I be struggling. You don't even be trying. You get some cereal? Nah. No. I don't eat chocolate cereal.
I used to like the Cocoa Puffs.
I never liked Cocoa Puffs. But if you like it, you eat it.
I got fruit colors. I ain't milk. And then
Well, I might as well go get those graham crackers and if you want to go get the milk. Anyway.
come back.
Girl, I'm not coming back to this motherfucker. He ain't even got shit. Come back to what? What are we coming back for? Yes. I'm done. I don't need no more snacks right now. I just keep doing the dash with the basket. What do you mean by that? How you want to do it, folks? Hello, Governor. Go get the guys, man. Gatorade. More empty shelves. This is ridiculous. You don't even be having no motherfucking Gatorades. Like, for real. Look, they got one Powerade. Can you get that purple Powerade? They ain't even got the... They don't even be having the green apple Powerade. I mean, Gatorade. Alright, then smash it. But you put yours right there. Cute. I see it. Can we go? Like, come on. Cause you're gonna stand here and just like, oh, what if you would have knocked all those cans down? Would you pick them up? Why they all busted and wasted and stuff? And get all sticky, icky. No, you wouldn't. I believe you really would sit there and try to pick all of that. But that's the nice thing to do, I guess.
You got spaghetti is good?
Where's spaghetti? Oh, I don't know, but can you give me another one of those chicken Alfredos? Yeah. Try it. You never know. It might be good. Get another chicken Alfredo for me too, please. Another chicken Alfredo? Yes, please. Thanks. You know I hate being in the store for long. Can we go? Thumbnail. Oh, Karen, tell her to do our thumbnail shit. She ain't gonna be in the video. You think all this stuff gonna come up too? I say 45.
Yeah, I was gonna say 50.
Let's see who's faces. Swiper, no swiper. Yeah, you can keep them out. Talking about 45. She talking about 50. It was 124. We thought. What? Help you put a basket. Yo, weak ass.
You got blueberry muffin KitKats, guys.
Blueberry muffin KitKat. So, look excited. It smells just like it. It smells good. It's already melted. Yeah.
Don't taste like nothing.
It's good. It definitely tastes like blueberry. It's good.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's fine.
Blueberry.
It's good, whatever. Still don't understand what to do with it.
5.
Oh, I give it a 6.5. It's cool, but you can see that's gonna make your stomach hurt.